Hello. As I was reading the Module 2 discussions about your favorite reading, I realized that I should talk to you a little bit about title conventions, which are ways to write titles when you're writing a paragraph or something else about a book or a play or a TV show or a short story or something else that you've read or watched. Basically, the idea is that there are two kinds of written works, larger and smaller. Larger works include things like books, plays, magazines, movies, or TV shows, while smaller works include short stories, chapters of books, articles in magazines, and episodes of TV shows. The way we write the titles of these two kinds of things basically depends on which kind of thing it is, whether it is a larger or a smaller work. Basically, larger works get italics, while smaller works get quotation marks. Now, quotation marks probably are a little bit easier because you've seen them more often, so they're more familiar. You can probably find them pretty easily on your keyboard. Italics, on the other hand, takes a little bit more explanation. Italic letters are these kind of slanted, a little more shifty letters, and their different shape means that a reader pays a little more attention to them. So what I want to do with the rest of this announcement is show you how to make italics in Microsoft Word and also on a Canvas page in case you need to use them in a discussion. Let's first look at how Microsoft Word makes italics. So here is the corner of my Microsoft Word screen. And let's say that I want to write the title of something. Let's say that I'm thinking about movies and I want to write Fast and the Furious, because I guess I like car chases. One thing I want you to notice is the way that this title is capitalized. Notice that the first letter of the title and the important words in the title, Fast and Furious, get capital letters, and that the less important words in the title, words like and the, don't. But because this is a movie, I'm not quite done with the way I want to write its title. Remember that the titles of movies are in italic letters. In Microsoft Word, the way to make a word italic is to highlight it, to go to this slanty little I in the upper left-hand corner of the Word screen, and to press it. And that makes italics. And now, the Fast and the Furious is in italics the way that my reader would expect it to be. Now that I've shown you that, let me show you how to make italics in the Canvas discussion board. So, you'll notice that what I'm doing here is writing a reply to the Module 2 discussion. So, let me see. My favorite book is Lipstick Traces by Greil Marcus, or The Phantom Tollbooth by Norton Juster. By the way, this is true. These are my favorite books. I can recommend them to you for fun and for education. But you'll notice that I have not done what I need to do when I'm writing the titles of books. I need to make sure that the title of my book is in italics. As with Word, there's that slanty I. Pressing that makes the phrase in italics, in the same way that pressing that makes the phrase in italics. Now I've got a a format that my reader expects to see. I've demonstrated that I'm a member of our little community by using the same kind of format that the reader would be using. And I've indicated that these two things, Lipstick Traces and The Phantom Tollbooth, are in fact titles. They're books, so my reader knows a little bit more easily how to think about them. So I hope this announcement has been helpful for you in understanding these title conventions. As you continue in your college career, most of what you write will be reactions to things you've read, so it's a good idea to know how to indicate what it is you're reading in a way that's easy for your reader to understand, and that is why we have these title conventions. As always, thank you for your time and attention.